You've got a lot to look forward to when you book a cruise on an Oasis-class cruise ship from Royal Caribbean. In this video, I'll show you the essentials. Watch until the end and you'll get a close look at the cabin I stayed in during my last sailing on the original Oasis-class ship, Oasis of the Seas. Upon boarding Oasis of the Seas, you'll be greeted with celebrations along the Royal Promenade, located here on Deck 5. Consider the Royal Promenade Main Street of this floating city, where you'll find things like bars, music venues, dining options, coffee shops, and retail stores. Entertainment along the promenade includes live performances, venues like Spotlight Karaoke, and themed events. There's simply no shortage of things to explore here on the promenade. You'll also find the port shopping guides and internet support desk. Just above the main level of the promenade, up on Deck 6, you'll find additional venues like the photo gallery, the shore excursions desk, Next Cruise, where you can book another cruise, and the schooner bar. Dining along the promenade includes options like Cafe Promenade for your coffee and snacks, Sorrento's Pizza, and the Globe and Atlas Pub, where you'll find pub food for an additional fee and frequent live musicians. You'll also find unique attractions like the Bionic Bar, where robots will mix up your favorite drink. And the Rising Tide Bar, which will take you from the promenade up to Central Park on Deck 8, all while enjoying your favorite beverage. Moving up to Deck 8, Central Park is an outdoor green space with more than 10,000 real plants. It's a more laid-back, outdoor setting with more shopping and dining options, including Park Cafe, the Italian restaurant Giovanni's Table, Vintage's Wine Bar, and 150 Central Park, all of which come at an extra fee. By night, that laid-back feeling in Central Park continues with live music as you stroll on to your next event. On Deck 8, you'll also find the Music Hall, a two-story live music venue with 2 bars, a dance floor, and comfortable seating where you can enjoy the in-house and visiting musical acts. If we duck back down to Deck 5, there is an outdoor promenade deck that will take you around the aft of the ship past the AquaTheater, which we'll see in a moment. It consists of a running track and some great wake views with a few seats available. On Deck 4, just below the promenade, you'll find the casino and the art gallery. These are accessible from the entertainment zone, where you'll find the entrance to Ice Skating Arena Studio B and the nightclub comedy club called Blaze. At the forward of Deck 4 and 5, you can enter the Royal Theatre. Here you'll find main production shows, game shows, and a variety of other events. It is also the meeting point for many excursions if you book direct with Royal Caribbean. And now we're on the Boardwalk, which is located on Deck 6. You'll find arcade games, the Doghouse, where you can grab a quick hot dog and drink, and the centerpiece of the boardwalk, the Carousel. Right next to it is Sugar Beach, the candy shop. You'll also find Playmaker's Sports Bar. These onion rings are delicious, by the way. And Johnny Rockets for your diner-style burgers and milkshakes. And you can often find breakfast here. At the aft end of the boardwalk, you'll discover the 10-deck-high Ultimate Abyss dry slide, which will drop you down from Deck 16 to the boardwalk here on Deck 6. You'll also see the rock climbing walls and the AquaTheater. The AquaTheater boasts the deepest pool on a cruise ship, with shows featuring acrobatics, stunts, and the main attraction, the high diving acts. You do need to reserve tickets for this show. Deck 15 is the pool deck, with 3 pools, including the main pool, the sports pool, and the beach pool. Next to the beach pool, you'll find Splashaway Bay, designed for the little ones. Overhead, you'll find the Perfect Storm water slides. The Perfect Storm consists of 3 slides to get your adrenaline going. There's always something going on up on the activity decks with attractions on deck 15 and 16. You'll find the sports court on deck 15, the Flow Rider surfing simulator on deck 16 with the wipeout bar nearby, along with the zip line which will zip you right over the boardwalk. And don't forget to check out the Dunes mini golf course here on deck 15, and you'll find the entrance to the Ultimate Abyss dry slide up here on deck 16. If you've left an essential at home, you can find these vending machines where you can purchase items with your cruise card. The Solarium is located forward on decks 15 and 16. This is an adults-only area with a small pool, hot tubs, and the Solarium bar. There's plenty of loungers, and there's a great outdoor area with more open-air room to relax. You'll also catch some great views from out here above the bridge wings. Up here you'll also find more dining options, including El Loco Fresh for fresh Mexican food, and Portside Barbecue, all located up on deck 15. The Windjammer Marketplace is your onboard buffet and can be found on deck 16. Spanning decks 3, 4, and 5 at the aft, you'll find the entrances to the main dining room. Here you can choose an assigned early or late dining time, or choose My Time dining for more flexibility. Izumi, Hibachi, and Sushi is located on deck 4. There are interactive wayfinders near each elevator bank, so in absence of using the app, you can use these to help find your way around. If you enjoy some time in the spa, it can be found here on deck 5. On this sailing, I was in a standard balcony cabin. These cabins are quite spacious and have a good amount of storage. There's a safe located in the closet, and it has a nice full-size sofa. There is a cooler located at the desk, along with some power options, including these ones that are hid just down below, which can come in quite handy. There are no power options next to the bed, so consider bringing a long charging cable for your devices, and you may want to check with the cruise line if you need an extension cord for other devices like a CPAP machine. The bathroom is pretty typical for a Royal Caribbean ship with a pod-style shower and relatively good storage. There are plenty of cabin options here on Oasis of the Seas, from inside cabins to suites like this loft suite, so there's something for just about everyone. Well, that's a quick look at the essentials here on Oasis of the Seas. If you enjoy all things cruise and travel related, please be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification so you can check out our upcoming vlogs. In the meantime, check out these videos.